In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your LinkedIn account. Then we're going to go to the top menu and select on the profile icon that says me. Then we're going to go ahead and press on settings and privacy. Then you want to make sure in the left menu that account preferences is selected. All we're going to be doing from here is we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see this option that says account management. Now we actually have two different options. Number one, we can go ahead and hibernate our account, which will basically suspend our account, but at any point in time, we can go ahead and actually recover it. Or you guys can go ahead and press on close account where it will permanently delete your account. Do whichever one is best for you. So let's go ahead and press on close account like so. And then go ahead and press on continue. And before you actually are able to delete it, it's going to give you like a mini survey. So go ahead and just select on whichever one applies to you. And then you need to go ahead and write like a description on why you're actually closing LinkedIn. And next up, you will need to enter in your LinkedIn password. So let's go ahead and enter it in real quick. And then you guys have the option to go ahead and unsubscribe from any LinkedIn emails, communications, and invitations. And basically, once you're 100% sure you want to delete your account, all you need to do is go ahead and press on done. And then it is completely done. You can no longer access your LinkedIn account. However, if for whatever reason you think you may want to return to LinkedIn, then I do not recommend actually closing your account. I recommend selecting on the option that says hibernate, and then it just hibernate your account, and then you can come back if you ever need to. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.